Hi everyone. So, my wife was tired of so many baby snails, so she said that I should just throw them away into the pond or river. But I said, let's put them on eBay and give it to someone. So, I decided to collect all of them because one of the guys said that he will come and pick it up. He would like to put them in the pond, so I said, I'm not sure you can put them in the pond, but if you want it, I will give it to you. So, I collected everything for them. And yeah, as you can see, like I'm trying to find each and every snails. There still I'm keeping couple of them for myself, but trying to give away the maximum of them. This is the plant what I got it from my friend. Now you can see how healthy root it has. Yeah, this is the bunch of baby snails I collected. They are approximately more than 20, and here is how I wet the remote. And this is the stone what I got it outside of my house. You might have seen already in couple of shots. And I just cleaned it up from all the kind of algae, or I don't know, whatever gets stuck on it, because it's been almost 3 months since it is in the aquarium. So yeah, here is the plant. I started planting the plants again. They were already from my aquarium, so I just fixed them back again to their new position, I would say, because not the same position. Maybe it looks better with that hope. Also broke down some of the plants so that it can multiply it better. Yeah, this plant I got it for €5, what you can see. And the first one with the long root was, I received it from one of my colleagues called or friend, for free of cost. So yeah. Yeah, the video is made in the voice cover. And yeah, as you can see, just like I just kept the all the baby snails back because that person refuses to come and pick it up. And here is, I just quickly wash all the stones, and like, yeah, removing all the sticky substances or algae from the stones. And I try to place them almost the similar way as before, but yeah, a bit of look change. And I was a bit more scared that I just throw all the baby snails while pushing down. I hope none of the baby snails get pushed down by me. I will be here in the video for a while, interrupting your view towards the aquarium, but I hope you bear with me. This is the extra green plant from the top. I just removed it, grew a lot. Before removing this time, I removed a while ago also a bit, but still it was a lot. And that's how the clear view of the aquarium looks like. Yeah, I got two frogs as well, couple of snails, not couple of snails, like multiple snails. Yeah, there's fishes. And I would say better you enjoy the view without my voice, would be amazing. But if you like the video, please keep subscribing and give me a thumbs up as a like, so I would be really happy, and this will keep me motivated to make more videos from my aquarium. This is one-sided view, and the coming up next is the other side view, and then I will give you the front clear shot view, which looks amazing. My aquarium looks so much of green from inside. Yeah, this is the frog what you just saw. Here is the coconut shell in the middle. I try to cover it around with some plants. I move a couple of plants behind to leave more of the space in the front. And that's the full view of my aquarium. Please let me know in the comment section how does it look like. And thank you so much for watching the video until end.